I'm joined in the studio today by Paula Doyle, who's going to talk to us a little bit about our plans for the recycling weekend we're doing with you. It's use up and reuse.
It's being green as well.
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
But the fabrics don't have to be all green.
Oh no, absolutely not. You can even buy fabric if you really want to.
Oh no, but we're trying to reuse up, right? So why am I sitting in front of these jeans?
Well, I don't know if you have a teenage boy or even an older boy, but sometimes I receive something like this.
Really good shape.
Yes,
really?
Mom, can you fix this? So jeans like that, I used to try, but without very good success. So I'm now making those into all sorts of cushions and quilts.
Okay, so we can do that on the weekend with
Yeah,
you?
absolutely. We're going to learn how to recycle the jeans and harvest the fabric that is in the jeans.
That's a nice
and so we have, I have pieces like that left over for me to work with.
Okay.
And I also reuse and or use up little bits of wadding, because when you're doing a quilt, you have lots left over on the sides and you don't really want to throw it away. So we're going to be using some of those to make to put into quilts.
And this is the kind of thing that they can do?
This is the type of thing they can do, yes. So here's a little, we use charms, so we can have charms that you make up from your own fabric. We have purchased charms that somebody might have given you or something that you can use up, or you could actually use up 4 patches or make your own patchwork to use in conjunction with the jeans.
Is this your itsy bits?
Yes, itsy bits and wonky strips, well done, and a little bit of embroidery. Okay. And this one here is applique, so it's a charm with a little bit of applique put onto it as well.
So this is our double-sided round bits that have come into
and it
this.
makes a really nice sturdy quilt or cushion that you can take out to a picnic or whatever.
Brilliant, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. And this is a cushion that you've made.
Absolutely. This is a cushion. This is one of many. It's quite heavy, but it's done with the itsy bits at the center.
Super. Okay. And if that doesn't float their boat, then we've got this other idea of yours, which is a one-step applique.
Yes, these are actually pieced and appliqued. Where there's piecing, it's pieced and quilted all in one step.
Excellent.
And the applique is done as a one step, so it's appliqued and quilted all in one step.
We like the one step.
That's right.
And we've got another one step behind us.
That's right. That one's just pieced and quilted at the same time. So that's the idea. We're also going to be doing a fantastic T-shirt project. Okay. So collect your old T-shirts. If you have T-shirts with motifs on them, that's fine.
Bring them along.
Your husband's shirts.
Okay.
I can show you how to
recycle those. So they just bring them all along, ready to work on.
Yep, absolutely.
Smashing.
Anything like that.
Smashing. Thank you, Paula.